Hi, I'm Rachel Gray. Welcome to my cooking channel. One of the things I love about summer is vacation. And on vacation you get to eat out, and that means breakfast too. One of my favorite breakfast foods is eggs Benedict. In order to make eggs Benedict, you need to make Hollandaise sauce. Hollandaise sauce is one of the 5 mother sauces in French cuisine. It can be a little tricky to do. On the stovetop, everything has to be done at really slowly so that the eggs and the butter are emulsified together. But I've got an easier way, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Let's go over the ingredients we'll need to make Hollandaise sauce. They're pretty simple. You just need a half a pound of butter, or 2 sticks of butter. And I use salted for this. You need 1 lemon and 3 eggs. We're gonna separate these eggs, so we're just gonna use the yolks. And that's it, just 3 ingredients, and you get a luscious Hollandaise sauce. Now the secret to making this sauce is to make it in the food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a blender, but I can't use my blender because my blender is too big. Your blender has to be a smaller capacity if you want to do that. The first thing I'm going to do is separate my eggs. I've got 3 egg whites left over. I can use this for meringue, I can make divinity out of it, marshmallow fluff, or I can save it for an angel food cake. So don't throw away your egg whites, you can use them. Now I like my Hollandaise fairly lemony. One of my sons says I like it too lemony. So I use about a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm going to squeeze it through my fingers. That way I don't get any seeds. And I'll start with 1/4 and then I'll taste it. I wind up using about half of a lemon. The next thing I want to do is melt my butter. I do this on the stovetop because then I can control the heat. So at first I'm going to put the heat down to lower and I'm going to melt it nice and slow. Then I'm going to turn the heat up and get it really hot. Once the butter is completely melted, then I'm gonna let it foam. I don't want to leave it so long that it browns, but I do want to get it super hot, so I'm gonna let it foam up. Once my butter's hot and bubbly, then I'm gonna give this a quick mix. I'm going to pour the foamy butter into this measuring cup. That way I can stream it into the food processor. I'm gonna take out this little vent, turn it on, and then I'm going to slowly pour in, just a little teeny bit at a time, the hot butter into the egg yolks while they're spinning. Super slow. It's important that your butter is really hot and that you drip it in really pretty slowly. Voila, perfect Hollandaise. Now I'm just gonna taste it. And for my son, this would be perfectly fine, but for me, I like a little bit more lemon. So I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit lemon. Like I said, I do it through my fingers so I don't get any seeds. Just gonna give that a quick stir. And there it is, it's perfect. It's luscious and smooth. Oh, that is gonna be the perfect topping to any eggs Benedict. You can't go wrong with eggs, lemon, and butter. This sauce can be very tricky, but this way is super easy. Hollandaise is a super versatile sauce. It can go on asparagus, chicken Oscar, eggs Benedict, on salmon. You can turn it into a béarnaise sauce. I can do it the chefy way, but why? This is so much easier and it comes out perfect. You just have to make sure your butter is super hot and it goes in slow. And there you have it. You can find this recipe and over 200 other recipes on my blog, cookingwithrachel101.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Subscribing is free and it just helps you find my videos easier. And if you want to be notified every time I post a new video, hit the bell. Thanks for watching. I got nothing more to say about this.